welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I'm going to do a requested video. When you become a newbie with crafting, it's a lot of stuff you have to do, and researching is the best thing to do when you're crafting because there's so many different crafts out there you can learn. With me, I want to learn everything. As you can see from my YouTube channel, I have all kind of crafts on there, and each day I research. Each day I look for more ideas. Each day I look for better things and ways to do things that I craft, and I just love doing it. I love making things and people purchasing it or either just saying how good it looks. Okay, no one's perfect in crafting, so we start off and then we get better. I started crafting. I started doing earrings. I started designing earrings a couple years ago, and I also started writing books a couple years ago. So that was my craft. I never thought I would be able to do all the crafts that I'm doing today. I was not good at art. I didn't like that in school. I didn't really like art, but to me, crafting is art, and I've just learned to love it. It's amazing, and I get a thrill out of doing it. I'm happy, and it's relaxing. Some things I do is relaxing. When people might think it's boring, it's relaxing. Like putting beads on a glass. I love it. So today I'm going to show you how to do your research. For instance, if you're in a group, I'm in a lot of groups on Facebook. I'm going to show you this. This is my group, Brown Girls Craft for Cricut. We have over 40,000 members in there. Now, if you're in my group, when you're looking for something, you just go. It might look different on your computer. This is a Mac laptop, but it might look different on yours. But if you look for this, either this icon right here or either right here, search Facebook, or either this little icon right here. On your phone, it might say search Facebook, or it might say search group. And you just basically click inside this little thing, and then you just write down what you're looking for. For me, on my computer, it's this little icon right here, okay? So like I said, what's going really good right now? You can say bling mugs, okay? Bling mugs. And then you just push enter. And look at this. All these bling mugs come up, okay? And what I do this in any group I go to. You can do this with any group. And then you basically just look, okay, which one look interesting to you? Okay, you complete the order. Let me see. Just look through it. And you're like, okay, I like this the way this look. Let me go ahead and click on it. You click on it. And most of the time when you click on it, the comments, it'll tell you how she did it, okay? Where she get it from, how she do it, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just say how cute it is, but it also tell you different things of how they learn how to do it, okay? Let me go back and do it. Let me show you another one. This one right here. Another bling cup. And see, it say, it tell you what she's doing, bling, and then you look down here, you go ahead to comments. She got 219 comments. You click on comments and read through the comments. You can't be lazy. Read through the comments because somebody said something about what she did or how she did it, okay? So let me click on it. And then you go down, you scroll. Where can you find or buy these files? And she'll probably tell you where you find them. Most of the people really helpful in this group. They'll tell you where she got them. Or they just probably say Amazon, which really she got them from Amazon. See, she right here. She even put a link on them. Link of where she got the files from. Okay. And then she might tell you what tools she used, what glue she used, whatever. I mean, that's what they do. They tell you how you do your craft. Okay. And it says the water. You know, just look through it, and you'll find the questions to your answers. You find the answers to your questions. Okay, so let's see what else I can find. Okay, for instance, you can say, click on this and say, water slide. And see people doing water slides, and you'll see there's different things. Like right here, she did water slide. Click on it. She got 123 comments. Okay, and right here it tell you what she just wanted somebody to suggest water slide paper. See, this is a question right here. Can someone please suggest a different water slide paper? And let's look and see what they did. Let's see if they suggested a water slide paper. If y'all looking for water slide paper, y'all go to this and you can find out where's the best water slide. Let's see. Those are nice. Where you get your mugs from? What size image? You tell you what size she used. Paper, she's right here. What paper do you use? Water slide always come out clear. So she might have had a good paper, but she probably was doing it wrong. I use Haze. Okay, so she's telling you where to go, where she get her, which one she used. Okay, so you get ideas. So instead of sometimes they might ask a question, the same question people have been asking over and over again. Just put your question in first, and then you can see if somebody got it instead of asking the same questions over again. Okay. Because somebody said they didn't know how to search, and I didn't know how to search when I first started crafting either. So let me go ahead and do this video so you can learn how to search the groups. Okay, let's go to okay. This is my group, right? Let's say sublimation. Okay, enter. And look at this. You're gonna see a lot of stuff on sublimation. People love sublimation. I love sublimation. Okay, right here, say I purchased a bunch of sublimation blanks and a sublimation printer earlier this year. Decided to try out one of these photos. So she got 180 comments. Okay, so click on the comments, and they're gonna say something about. You're gonna ask all kind of questions, and they might answer the question. Ooh, that's beautiful though. Shout out to Linda Nelson. That's cute. Okay, to tell you, let me see. I'm trying to see what kind of paper to use. She's gonna tell you what kind of paper she used right here. Okay, this is what she used. This is the printer she used. I'm sorry, the printer she used. Where you get the blanks from. Okay, you can ask some of this. Some of your questions might be answered in some of these comments. Okay, so I'm just saying, just please check. Please check. Okay, and let me try another group real quick. Search for Facebook. You go to another group. I like this what is it? I can't think. Oh, Crafting Besties. My other group I go to a lot, and then the other group I go to Sublimation Cosmos. Okay, so here's her group. This is Sasha's group, and I think she got some people that she's with. But then you want to go search her group. You just go click on this right here, and then I say, let me see what I'm doing today. I'm doing these blankets, these 20 panel blankets, okay? And I want to see how people are doing theirs. So let's go to blankets. Did I put the S on here? Okay, it still showed up right here. See, I'm looking through. That's why I'm searching other people's groups for this, is to see what time and temperature they use, how they doing it, so I can do mine for this. I have this someone purchased one of these for me, and I gotta do this today because it's due by Christmas, and that's 2 more days, y'all. 20 panels. Okay, so I gotta get 20 pictures. Somebody made 20 pictures on this blanket. Okay, and somebody might ask you where she got it from. You can better figure out where she get it from. It don't tell you like with the time and temper or whatever, but just keep on asking, keep on looking. See, where do you get the blanket from? Etsy. Let's see. Let's do mugs. A lot of people trying to learn how to sublimate mugs. Okay. Let's see. She only got 10 comments. I try to find the ones with the most comments because they might answer the questions you might want. I'm one step closer to subbing tumbler mugs. I'm so excited. Like I said, usually just look at the comments. The question. If they're asking a question, okay, and then you can go down there and people answering the questions. You can learn from the answers they gave her. They gave the person. Let's see. Let's just see what this is. Beautiful. Where did you purchase the SVGs at? Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Feathers of Style. See, now you might want to know where she got these from. You found out she got it from Feathers of Styles of Feather. Feathers of Style. Okay. You know what paper to use. She used this paper right here, sublimation. ASAP. Okay, so see, if you need help, that's how you find your help at first, and then you ask your questions. Okay, search the group first, and then you ask your questions. So let me also show you YouTube. Okay, my YouTube channel. You go to YouTube. Okay, this is my channel, and when anybody's channel, you go to their playlist right here. Okay, you click on the playlist, and excuse my playlist. I have a lot of stuff on my playlist. But if you coming from on my playlist, if you come to my page, look at my page, all mine will say Charmaine stuff. So all the other stuff is my stuff that I like to go back and look for. But this says, it says Charmaine's Photoshop. It is say, only thing you will see is Charmaine Photoshop. You will see Charmaine. Trying to see what else I got in here. I don't know why they don't have it in order. Charmaine's silhouette tutorials. You will see Charmaine's vinyl tutorials. Charmaine's crafting for parties. Charmaine paper crafting tutorials, Charmaine sublimation tutorials. So you look when you come to my page, it'll be just like that. But all these are extra because see right here is private. These are private, so you won't be able to see these. But you just see the ones that's not private, okay? So I do a lot of saving and stuff on YouTube. That's how I learn. Y'all can go onto YouTube and save the videos in your playlist, and y'all can go back and look at these things. Okay, look at these videos. Okay, so if you click on, let me see, Charmaine sublimation, it'll say play. It says view for playlist. Click on that, and here's all my sublimation videos. So if you have questions on sublimation, and you just come to my YouTube channel, go to my playlist, and this will pop up. You click on Charmaine's sublimation tutorials, and it'll show you right here how to convert your Epson 7710, how to sublimate on spiral notebooks, door mats, sublimation, how to do settings on the Mac, all this stuff, y'all. I sublimated for y'all. Okay, it's right here. If you have any questions, look at the video, and it tells you in each of my videos, all of my videos, it gives you a list of things that I purchased and where I purchased from, and links to where to get the stuff, and it's free. My channel is free. You don't have to pay. So go learn. It's free. Okay? Click on the video. Let me show y'all this real quick. Click on the video. I'm going to pause it real quick. And then all you got to do is go to show more. Look at this. Bam. Everything is here. Where I got my sublimation blanks from, sublimation paper, printer, tape. This is all for this video right here. Here are the items that you need for this tutorial. Now also go down and I give you other videos. Of course, I pick out one that I really don't have much stuff on. But most of all my videos have a whole list of things. But this is another video you can look at, another video you can look at, another video you can look at. But most of my videos have different videos in here and tells you where I bought the stuff from. Okay, so let me show you one more. I'll go back and I go to something I did recently. Cause I've been doing videos for over a year. Just a year. It's only been a year for me, y'all. I've been doing it since July of last year. So I've been doing a lot in this year. This is the recent one that I did. I'm gonna click on that. It's 2020. So look, watch this. When I push see more, show more. Look, it has everything. Like the products I've used in this video is right here. The products I use for my beaded pens is right here. The materials that I use for sublimation puzzles is right here. All the links are here for you. Okay, materials I use for my journals, calendars, and notebooks are right here. It tells you what it is and it tells you the link, and it pops right into Amazon. You click on that and you go right to Amazon. How easy can that get, y'all? Just do your research and look at the videos. All my videos are like this. Materials I use for sublimation mugs. All the material I use is right here for you, okay? Okay? So in this video, I really wanted to show you how to search in groups on Facebook so you can be able to do your research. And before I ask questions, go to the search panel and just search for what you're looking for. Type in what you're looking for. Type in your question or just type in the image or project you're trying to do and you'll find it. Also, I'll show you how to go to YouTube and go to the playlist and you can look at it. Or you can just go to videos. Click videos. You can just scroll through it. I have a whole lot of videos. I don't know if I tell you how many videos I have, but I have a lot, okay? I just love crafting, and I appreciate you all for watching my videos and helping out in my channel, and helping out in my group, participating and helping people with their crafts and showing us your beautiful work. Again, my group is called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. And look at this. I've been doing it. Let me show you. I started a year ago, okay? And I have all these videos, and I love learning, and I love doing tutorials for y'all. So please subscribe to my channel right here. Click the red bell to be notified when I add new videos. Also check out my Etsy page. If you don't want to create these things, I will create them for you. It's Charminggal Boutique too, and I will put that below. And until next time, be blessed.